In today's fast-paced trading world, speed is the need of the hour. With the new multi-square off feature in the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app, you can square off multiple positions in one go. Step 1. Log in to the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app with your credentials. Select reports from the bottom bar of the app. On the reports page, go to net position/turnover. Click on the square off button next to drop-down list. Select the positions you want to square off. Click on Confirm Square Off to execute the action. Once completed, users can check the order status for confirmation. Enjoy faster and smarter trading with this time-saving feature on your Mirae Asset Sharekhan app.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.